In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge is Adobe's file browser and media manager. And getting it installed only takes a moment if you use the Creative Cloud desktop app. First, make sure the Creative Cloud desktop application is installed and running on your computer. This is the hub that manages all Adobe apps, including Bridge. If you already see the Creative Cloud icon in your menu bar or system tray, you are set. If you don't have it yet, head to the Adobe website to download and install the Creative Cloud desktop app, then open it so it can manage your apps. A stable internet connection and a bit of free disk space will help the process go smoothly. With Creative Cloud open, look to the left sidebar and click on the Apps tab. This page lists your installed apps at the top and available apps below. Scroll through the list and locate Adobe Bridge. You'll recognize it by its two-letter badge and the name Bridge next to it. If you keep a lot of Adobe software, this list can be long, so take your time. If Bridge isn't immediately visible, use the search bar at the top of the window and type Bridge, or switch to All Apps to browse the full catalog. If the result says Update instead of Install, that means Bridge is already on your system and just needs to be brought up to the latest version. If it says Open, you are ready to launch. When you find Adobe Bridge in the list, click the Install button next to it. Creative Cloud will start the download and installation automatically, no extra prompts needed. You'll see a progress indicator, and you can keep working on other tasks while it completes. If you are on a laptop, keeping it plugged in during installation is a good idea. Once installation is finished, the Install button changes to Open. That confirms everything is ready. You can click Open right here to launch Bridge, or find it later in your Applications folder or Start menu. If you ever need to reinstall, return to this same Apps tab and follow the same steps. Installation time can vary depending on your internet speed, and Creative Cloud will notify you when it's done. If you step away, you can always check status in the Apps tab under Installed. That's it. Thanks for watching.